Hi, hello. Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Okay, and once again, welcome back to mathematics class part 15. Okay, today you can learn part 15. Okay, let's go for the video. Okay, dear children, before going to our today's topic, just recall what was our last class. Do you know what you have learned by our last video? Yes, dear children, we have completed 3-digit number subtraction. Do you know? Yes, and I hope all of you have completed 3-digit subtraction follow-up work, textbook and notebook work too. Okay. Okay, dear children, by your today's video, you are going to see 2-digit number subtraction with borrowing. Okay, already we have completed addition and addition with carryover or addition with regrouping. Okay, as the same like subtraction and subtraction with regrouping, or we can say subtraction with borrowing. Okay, let's see. Okay, my dear children, now we are going to see our today's topic. Okay, everybody should listen here carefully. Once again I will say, what's our today's topic? Do you know? 2-digit number subtraction with borrowing. Okay, so here you can see 2-digit number only, that ones and tens. Okay, it has ones and tens only. So the first one, shall we go? Are you ready? Yes, just listen carefully. 92 minus 65. Usually we are doing subtraction, or you have studied the subtraction, like we are subtracting the numbers from the greatest and plus the smaller number. That already we know. Okay, but here you can see, first we can do the place of ones. So 2 minus 5. Okay, so from the number of 2, is it possible to less number 5? Children, what do you think? Can it? No, we cannot subtract the number 5 from the number of 2, because the number of 5 is bigger than 2. So it cannot subtract. So what we will do here, just listen carefully. Here we are going to do the borrowing. Okay, so 2 minus 5 is not possible, that we know. So here we can borrow one number from the next place. Okay, what's the next place? The place of tens. 9 is here. Okay, so we have to take, or we have to borrow one number from the next place. So here one number we could take, and that we wrote here. Okay, and the number will become 12. Already 2 is here, and we could take one number from the next place. So the number became 12. Okay, from this 12 we should less this 5. Okay, now say 12 minus 5. So 12 before 5 number we have to less. So 12 before 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So the answer is 7. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Understand, children? Now listen here. Already 9 tens are here, but 1 10 already we could take it. So the remaining is 8. 8 tens only here, because 1 already took. So 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. 8 before 6 number we have to less. So 8 before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, by subtracting 6 number from the number of 8, we got the answer 2. So what is the answer here? 27. Understand, children? And another one example also you can see. 72 minus 56. Say once more. 72 minus 56. Listen children. Here the place of ones we can do first. So 2 minus 6. That we have to subtract firstly. 2 minus 6. The same 2 is smaller than number 6. So we cannot subtract 2 from 2 for this given number. We cannot subtract. It is not possible. So what we will do here? The same way we want to go to the next place. That is place of tens. So 7 tens are here. So we have to take 1 10 and write that 10 here. Okay, 1 we could take. And here the remaining number is 6. Because already one number we could take. So the balance is 6 tenses only. That one number is here. So the number will become 12 now. Okay. By borrowing one number from the next place, the number will become 12. This borrowing. Okay. So we borrowed one number. So the number became 12. Now 12 minus 6. 12 before 6 number we have to less. So 12 before count backward. Okay. 12 before 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Okay. And come to the next place. Already 7 was there. But we have taken 1 10 from this 7. So here how many tens are remaining? 6 only is standing here. So we have to subtract from this 6. Okay. 6 minus 5. Okay, 6 minus 5, 6 before 5 number we have to count backward. So 6 before 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's the answer? 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. By subtracting 72 minus 56, we got the answer 16. Okay, and we can see another one example also. Just listen, dear children. Listen. $82. Okay, 82 minus 63. Say once more. 82 minus 63. Firstly, we have to do, or we have to subtract place of ones. So 2 minus 3. Okay. And this also the same. We cannot subtract 3 from the number of 2 because the 2 is smaller than 3. So it is not possible. Okay. We can't subtract. So what we will do? We have to go to the next place. The places of tens. Okay. 8 tens are here. So just borrow one number from the places of tens. So just take one number and add the number into the next place. Okay. So here 8 number decreased. Okay. 7 only here. And the 2 was there. By adding 110, the number of 2 become 12. Okay. The number will become 12. So now just do the subtract. 12 minus 3. Okay, 12 minus 3. 12 before 3 number we have to count backward. So 12 before 3. 11, 10, 9. So the answer is 9. Okay children, understand? And now come to the next place. So here 7 tens only is standing here. So from that 7 we have to less 6 numbers. So 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So what's the answer? We got the answer 19. Understand all of you? And we can do another one example also. Then you can do it some easily. Okay. And listen children carefully. 86. What's the number? 86. 6 and 78. Okay, what's the number? Say once more. 86 minus 78. Okay, the same. Firstly, place of ones. 6 minus 8. Listen carefully. 6 minus 8. Okay, so the same, we cannot subtract from the number of 6 and the number of 6 we cannot subtract 8 because 6 is smaller, 8 is the greatest one, so it is not possible. So what we will do, just we can go to the next place, that is places of tens. Okay, and just borrow one number from the places of tens. Okay, that one number we should write here. Okay, and the balance is, this number will decreasing, that is 7 only is here, and by adding 110 is the place of ones, the number will become 16. So 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8 is equal to, just count backward. 16 before 8 number you have to count backward. So 16 before 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Okay children, and come to the next place. Here 7 tens only is standing. So from that 7 we have to subtract this 7. So 7 minus 7. Say the answer. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So what's the answer? 8 only. By subtracting 86 and 78 we got the answer 8. Okay, understand all of you children? Yes, it is some little difficult I think. So my dear children, you have to do more practice. Okay, take your rough note and do some more numbers, and you have to less with the borrowing and just find your answer. Okay, and after completing your writing, you just check it whether it is correct or not. If it is any mistake means you have to rewrite it. Okay, just you have to practice well, then you can do it easily. Nothing is that here you can listen or you can do the borrowing. If the number is not subtracting or we cannot subtract the numbers means you have to go to the next place and just take or just borrow one number from the next place, and that number you have to add on the ones or on the first place, then you can subtract directly. Okay, that's all my dear children. I hope everybody have understood this borrowing subtraction very well. Okay my dear children. Okay, we can see by our next class. Thank you all of you.